So guys, in this video, I'm going to tour you around my room at Phong Nam Hotel here in Sapa, room 416. This is the more expensive room because I want the view. And a lot of you, marami sa inyo, will be familiar about, well, actually are familiar about this hotel kasi marami ng vloggers na Filipino na nagstay dito. So, I'll show you my room because it's different from their room. So, maybe you want this room. So, let's start. Pasok tayo. Dito ang comfort room. I don't know what stands for WC. Yun yung tawag nila dito sa Vietnam. Hello. So, yan. Malinis naman siya. Mababango. Kasi yung mga reklamo sa ibang hotel is may amoy na parang eto. May hot and cold pala sila guys. Just in case punta kayo ng winter. So, eto. Water heater on and AC with heater on. Ito na ang room. Again, this is their panorama na room dito sa Phong Nam Hotel of Sapa, Vietnam. So this room, the only difference is that one. I think the only difference with the one tuna room versus this room is this one in this view. Pinaka corner siya na room sa building. Kaya nakuha mo tong dalawa na view. If you're asking if should I go for this view, this hotel na walang monorail na view versus yung hotels na andun sa monorail. May monorail view. Kasi yon ang naging issue ko. Kasi gusto ko talaga dun sa may monorail. I'll put all the links that I saw, the hotels that I saw over there sa may monorail kasi kagakaling ko lang doon. So, the hotels that I saw there, I'll put the links of those hotels down below the video para mag-guarantee na magkakaroon kayo ng or easy access at least ng sa monorail na view. Kasi di naman lahat ng rooms nila may view na ganon. I thought there's only like 3 hotels but I saw a number of hotels over there na malapit doon, andon talaga sa may monorail area na may view. So, yun ang naging struggle ko kasi I can't decide if I can, I want this view or that view. Here's a tip. If you want that view every day or the day you wake up here, I suggest na once you have the ticket, once you're sure na pupunta kayo dito, book nyo na agad kasi madali siyang ma-sold out. And baka hindi nyo makuha yun. Yun ang actually gusto ko. So, i-book nyo na agad once sure na kayo na pupunta kayo dito sa Sapa, Vietnam. At yun ang view na gusto nyo. Pero, pag gusto nyo ganito na view, I highly suggest this hotel kasi worth it yung view. Plus, ang access niya compared sa mga hotels doon is mas madami kang choices dito na coffee shop and restaurants. Don't get me wrong, meron namang coffee shop doon and restaurant, but you don't have that much of choices kasi lalaharin mo papunta dito sa city na ba to? Town center na lang sa tawag natin. Dito sa Sapa Center para makakuha ka ng ibang, ibang restaurants access. But don't get me wrong, again, meron namang transportation sila. And for me, ang bayad, ang sabi ng nag-guide sa akin kanina, is yung local is 50,000 Vietnamese dong ang fare. So that's ang 100,000 dong is around 200 pesos. That is 100,000 or 100 plus pesos yung transportation within the city center or city, let's say Sapa Center. So, mapa motorbike, yung single motor, or yung parang e-bike nila na maraming pasahero is same ang fare. I've tested it. I've ride that like e-bike bus nila na open at saka yung single motor, same ang fare. Pero if kaya mo naman lakarin, pwede naman. Pero sumakay lang talaga ako just to familiarize with the area. So far kanina pumunta ako doon sa may monorail, tapos ng view ng monorail. Tapos nilakad ko lang papunta dito sa hotel, and I was immediately familiarized with the area. Well, I think this is not applicable sa lahat, pero at least familiar ka sa area. Dito, mas lively dito sa city, sa Sapa Center, kasi malapit siya mismo sa Sapa Station. It's not like, paglabas mo Sapa Station na, it's like mga 5 minutes walk max na papuntang Sapa Station. Pero pa-upward siya kasi mountain to eh. So, need ng effort pa rin pumunta ng Sapa Station. As for the bed, hindi siya super soft but comfortable. Pillow, it's not like the 5-star hotel na pillow, pero okay naman siya. Blanket, okay naman. Yung amoy, malinis. I've seen some hotels na may view ng monorail, pero I've read some reviews na may baho siya na something, na yung mga hikain, baka nagkahika sila doon. So, read the reviews of the hotels that you go to here kasi nagkakaroon kayo ng clue kung bagay pa sa inyo ang hotel na yan. But so far, this one, it's clean. It's the view is great. The service is great. But, by the way, ang plus pala dito sa hotel na to, if you come early tapos hindi pa available ng room mo, kagaya ko, dumating ako actually I was there na sa bus line 5 a.m. Dumating na ako ng 5 a.m. Tapos hinatid kami ng van nila dito sa hotel. So let's say na lang 6 a.m. So hindi pa available ang room ko kasi may nagagamit pa nito. So sabi ng check-in counter guy is balik daw ako ng 2 p.m. kasi 2 p.m. ang check-in, check-out is 11 a.m. So, with breakfast pala ito guys may included na breakfast, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Pag check-out nyo, kung gusto nyo pa gumala, pwede nyo iiwan yung luggage niyo. Pagdating nyo dito, hindi available yung room nyo, pwede iwan nyo ang luggage. May mga areas lang to leave your luggages. Tapos, nilalagyan pa nila ng net just to protect it. Oh my God, I left something in the lobby pala. So, I have to go back. So, ano pang sasabihin ko? And then, if you want to freshen up, may toilet sila doon with shower. I didn't shower there kasi too tight. Pero, nag-poops ako kasi gusto kong mag-poops kanina. Gusto ko na sana mag-tour, pero pupong-pupo na ako eh. Nag-poops ako doon. 2 comfort room na available. May mirror, pwede kayo mag-toothbrush doon na doon malapit sa lobby. Pero hindi naman siya totally open doon sa lobby. May waiting area sila, tapos doon katabi ang 2 comfort room. Toilet. Shower. Change clothes. Toothbrush. And I'm all black. And then some here. Problem solved. I put yes. yung ano, yung hotel, pag gusto niyo yung mga poops, pwede kayo bumalik dito kasi may common area sila sa lobby na pwede kayo mag-freshen up. Tapos, pwede niyo iwan yung luggage niyo. Okay? So, ito, yun ang so far plus talaga sa hotel na to. May area sila for you to freshen up. Kasi alam nila na mga kayong dadating dito. So far so good. Accessible naman siya sa lahat. And, yeah, I have to go back to the lobby. Wait. Okay, so far, yun lang, guys. Yeah. I highly suggest this hotel. If you want to book this hotel, I'll leave the link down below for you. No code needed. Kasi wala akong code. Sa Klook, ako nag-book, but they're available also on different platforms. I'll also put the link down below this video and on the comment section. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video para sa mga kakilala nyo na gustong pumunta dito sa Sapa, Vietnam. I highly recommend. Pero, yung mga may motion sickness, medyo mag-prepare kayo. Kasi wala ako nun. Pero, let's talk about that on a different video. So, watch out for that video and more videos about Sapa. So, please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell para updated kayo sa videos na yan. Coming soon here on this channel. We're back. We're live. And hopefully, may videos pa tayo after this. So, after this Sapa and Vietnam thing. So, may travel pa tayo this year. Hopefully, so, to show to us, to appreciate what I do here for you guys, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and let me know your questions down below just in case I wasn't able to share something and you want to know. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, and see you guys on the next video. Ingat po! Ay, ang dami palang Pilipino ito, guys. Shout out sa mga na-meet ko. Ito. Nakatulog ako. Naara ako lang. Pero ito nakalat. Ito yung look ng room paggabi. Tapos yung view niya. Thank you. Okay, tapos na ako mag-video. Video, photo. I got all the para-paraan.